This is kind of hard to see, but this is the defrost setting here. Can you see that smoke blowing? And over here, that one's blowing good. Here, see that one blowing out. We've got the vents back here. Blowing out. Yep, on that middle setting now. Sorry about this video quality, you guys. See there. Get that one over there. And see if you can show it on the floor there. Let's try that. One over here. Make sure we get this vent too. So I hope you can see that. Everything appears to be blowing and switching correctly just like it should.